Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Transformer Gaming USB Keyboard and Mouse Combo. There is plenty of information on the box, but we are going to skip them for now and take a look at what's inside. We have to open the lid like this. At the very top we have a document. This seems to be a warranty information. Let's gently take the keyboard out of the plastic wrapper. This certainly looks like a gaming keyboard. It has solid aluminum body and feels quite chunky as well. The Zebronics logo is visible right here. It also comes with a braided cable with a gold-plated USB port at the end. Pretty cool. This seems to be a 104 keys keyboard with integrated multimedia controls as well. Let's keep the keyboard here and take a look at the mouse. This also looks like a mouse that a gamer would like to own. This is super compact and has a nice ergonomic design. This mouse comes with forward-backward buttons and a DPI button, along with the scroll wheel and left-right buttons. Pretty standard for a gaming mouse. Finally, just like the keyboard, the mouse also has braided cable with gold-plated USB cord. That's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.